Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a smooth milk base because clumps ruin texture. Combine 1 cup warm water with 1/2 cup milk powder and whisk until uniform. This reconstitutes milk solids and gives body. Once smooth, stir in 1 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of salt to balance flavors. Meanwhile, separate 2 egg yolks and have 1 teaspoon vanilla ready. Make sure to keep heat low when you later combine eggs. This prepares you for a stable. You continue by gently heating the milk base on medium-low so proteins align and sugar dissolves. Avoid boiling, which causes separation. Once steaming, temper the 2 egg yolks by whisking 1/3 cup of the hot milk into them slowly. This raises temperature without cooking. Then, pour the tempered yolk back into the pan while stirring constantly so curds don't form. Cook until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. This indicates the right custard set. You finish by removing the pan from heat at the right thickness because residual heat keeps cooking. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1 tablespoon butter for flavor and gloss. Immediately strain the custard into a clean bowl to remove any stray bits. Then cool to room temperature and chill 2 or more hours to fully set. If it curdles, don't panic. Whisk it vigorously over very low heat with a splash of warm milk to re-emulsify and rescue texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.